Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Feel free to use the link in the video description to join our service on the website. We have a free Elliott-Wave update service, so you receive free Elliott-Wave updates about various asset classes every single day. All you need to do is to register for free here on our Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Today I'd like to talk about one of our stocks that we cover, and more specifically, we'd like to talk about Apple. So let's take a look at the daily chart. You, by the way, get access to all these updates if you register for free. We want to start in the daily time frame because it gives you a better context. We are at the moment bullish on the Apple stock. So you can see in the analysis here that the market is expected to continue to move to the upside in our primary scenario, which we assign a 65% probability. In this scenario, we completed a wave 4 end of last year, and the market is now in this fifth wave to the upside. In this scenario, the resistance at $198.23 should be broken, and the market should continue to go higher in the medium to short term actually. This is the primary scenario. We are going to take a look at the detailed wave count on the 2-hour chart in a minute. But basically what it means, we should get a few more highs here to complete this larger degree third wave before a larger degree fourth wave should develop. So now let's take a look at the alternative wave count. In the alternative scenario, we have a slightly different wave count. It basically indicates that all of this here, the entire move from the early 2023 low, is a larger 5-wave move. It's only the alternative perspective though, because the fifth wave here in magenta would be extremely shallow, especially compared to the magenta third wave. So, but in this scenario, it just indicates that a larger degree first wave completed, and we are now in the larger degree wave 2. We only assign this scenario a 35% probability. And to keep this scenario valid, or to make this more relevant, we need to see a break below $165.30, and then the price should enter our target area here between $140.32 and $161.90. As I said, we only assign a 35% probability to this scenario. It's not our preferred scenario. Now let's take a look at the 2-hour chart, and here we see exactly this movement in more detail. Here you can see that in our preferred scenario in magenta, the initial 1-2 setup of this larger fifth wave here is unfolding. So what you see on the 2-hour chart is basically this section, and it shows that a 1-2 setup is currently unfolding. In the preferred scenario, which we assign a 63% probability, the wave 2 is likely still unfolding. The wave 2 in magenta. So it could go a little lower, but in the alternative perspective, the wave 2 is already complete. So that means, okay, maybe one more low, maybe it's already complete, but probably one more low. And it could only be a marginally lower low in this WXY structure, which completes this magenta wave 2. And as soon as wave 2 is complete, we should see a rise, and with the price should break above the $207.21 resistance area. And on the daily chart, this would mean we are going higher to complete this wave 5 of 3. If the price breaks below $165.30, then this idea of a 1-2 setup is invalidated, and we cannot follow anymore this pathway higher more directly. So to make this likely, or to furthermore confirm that magenta wave 2 bottomed, we need to see a break above this X wave high, followed by a break above magenta wave 1, and then we should be able to confirm that the third wave in magenta is actually unfolding to $207.21 plus. So the bottom line is that we are quite bullish on Apple. In an alternative perspective, we see a deeper pullback before a rally, but in our preferred scenario, the market should go up more directly. Especially the break above $198.23 would confirm our preferred scenario further. That's our update about Apple. Thanks a lot for watching, and make sure that you follow the link in the description to join our free Elliott-Wave updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.